Furthermore, you can rename your layers as well. Just right click on your layer, select rename, and type in the name that helps you remember what the layer is. You can do it the same for the frames as well. And in the future videos, we will apply this to the groups as well. As we have discussed properties for frames in previous videos, the same feature and experience apply here to rectangles too. This includes properties like position, width, height, rotation, and corner radius. Now, let's dive into the constraints in detail. This is a crucial feature to understand before tackling the complex interfaces. By default, two properties are always applied to your selected item. In this case, left and top are selected. You can quickly apply settings using this box or the drop-down options as well. Let's place our item in the center of the frame and set the constraints to center and center. Now, select the frame and increase its width and height. You will see that our item always stays centered because Figma automatically calculates its position to keep it centered. For another example, let's change the constraint values to top and left. If I increase the width and height, you will notice that the item maintained its proportion from the top and the left side. Now, it's time for you to practice. Change the value and resize the frame to see the changes. My aim to cover one topic per video. In the next video, we will explore more properties of the rectangle. Thank you for supporting this course. Your comments and feedback help me create more informative videos to assist you in becoming a good designer. See you in the next video.